The skyline of Panama's capital city is in no way short of eye-catching skyscrapers and structures, but without doubt the one without any competition. It's the most photogenic building in Panama with its very eye-catching glass corkscrew design, the F&F Tower. And we're going to take a look at this today. This is what everybody sees when they come to Panama, and everybody snaps a photo or two of it. In fact, it's the most photographed building in Panama. Very eye-catching, very unique. In fact, I've known some people who have been in construction all their lives, or architects who've been blown away by this building. They really, really like it, and it really is notable to them, even though they work in the industry. But when you live or visit Panama, you can enjoy it so much more when you know a little bit about what you're seeing. And in this video, we're going to go in depth so you become an instant expert on this building, the F&F Tower, Panama's most iconic building, within 3 or 4 minutes. So here we go. Thanks for watching, and please click subscribe because there's a lot more I can share with you about discovering Panama.